Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix YONO SBI Bank app not working. So if you also want to fix YONO SBI Bank app not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So there might be various reasons why your application is not working. First of all, make sure you're connected to a stable network connection. Sometimes your application might not be working because your network connection is not stable. So make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. The second reason why your application might not be working might be because your application is not updated. You might not be using the latest version of the application. So in that case, what you have to do is update your application. So for that, simply launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that, simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now over here, what you have to do is search for YONO SBI Bank. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the application for YONO SBI. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find two options, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated and your application should start working now. But if your application still does not work, it might be because of the cache. In that case, what you have to do is clear the cache of the application. For that, simply open the app library of your device. Now over here, what you have to do is find the application for YONO SBI. Once you find the application for YONO SBI, all you have to do is long press on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for app info. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the app info interface of YONO SBI. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply find the option for storage and cache. Once you find the option for storage and cache, all you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for clear storage and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. After that, the cache of your application will be cleared and your application should start working now. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is try uninstalling the application and reinstall the application again. After that, your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, you can contact the customer support of YONO SBI. After that, tell them their problem and follow their instructions. After that, your application will start working. So that is how you fix YONO SBI Bank app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.